Hi everyone, today we are making mint tea. We went to Greenwood and got mint from our friends.
Fresh mint, right?
Fresh mint.
And we made tea.
Yes. So basically, you're supposed to scoop it.
Yeah, show how to make from fresh
into this.
Leaves. Okay, so that was fermented, right? I think we made with honey and then I let ferment for 3 days and then we keep in the fridge for a whole week, right?
Wait, how do you do it?
I think it's enough, baby.
No. Okay.
And then what we do?
Now we'll get the water that's over there that just finished boiling.
So hot, right? Hot water.
It's hot.
It already has some honey, but not a lot, right?
And we pour it on top of the mint, and it comes mint.
Yeah, look, nice and green. Freshly brewed mint tea. I think it's enough. Now what we need to do? Add some honey maybe?
Now, yep.
Get rid of this.
We'll just get rid of that. And we get the special tool.
Special tool to get local honey?
Yeah. Get the local honey. Just put it in.
Grab the honey. And now you just pour it in the honey.
Maybe a little more?
I need to mix it. This way. Now more.
Can you go get long spoon?
We'll get a big spoon.
Big spoon.
Big spoon. It's bigger than the cup.
I don't think we need more honey.
Okay, so let's pour to the cup.
Now, we put the lid on for safety.
And this can be iced or hot, right? And we usually keep in the fridge and drink within a day or so.
My tea. That's enough.
Maybe hot for you, no?
Now my tea.
Oh yeah, it's hot.
Burning.
Now
we got
you
some
have
ice.
a thing of ice, just in case it's too hot for us. Ready? Grab your rice, put in just one.
What about extra honey? Or you don't need?
We'll see the taste first.
Yeah, we need to taste first. That's right.
Let's just let the ice melt for a minute.
Or we can start now.
Yeah. The bottom's really hot.
It's so minty.
Smell minty? I think it's your favorite tea, right?
I'll get a bit more honey.
I'm going to try it.
This is what you like to drink for breakfast, right? Is your breakfast?
Yeah.
Probably another ice. And that. Another ice melt. It's really hot.
Thomas.
We should do the cheers now. Okay. Here. Cheers.
My tea lovers.
Tea.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
and like.